The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the new video, and now we're doing Kyber network. Hope that's something you find interesting. On this channel we do technical analysis, no fundamental analysis, so I'm going to try to give you some kind of resistances, some kind of supports, see where this is headed, what we can what's our conclusion from the technical perspective, and I hope you find it interesting. Anyways, let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger as always, always a good thing, right? And starts drawing some resistance. We can see this here that it had a nice run up. Now this was some kind of sell-off and what do you call it? It's not maybe accumulation phase, but I sometimes on this channel I lose the words. It's consolidation. God damn it, the words, man! I lose the words. Anyways, you can see clearly here that this was some kind of iron support down here because of these wicks, stuff like that. So we went down, tested the support, and now we are going up again. So very good, this support held, and now we are going higher. So resistance is up. This is on the monthly chart. So first the resistance are 409 up here. I'm gonna put the numbers later. This is the monthly resistance. We need also, there are two resistances up here. But are we gonna draw it? Yeah, this one as well, because we are just breaking this resistance over here, so I'm gonna put it down up. And then we got weekly resistance is the one over here, but it's almost in the ballpark, so you know, it's there. So maybe we should just use the monthly, weekly. Let's use the weekly. And then you got this all-time high up here. That's important. This one actually should go around here. Now let's just put it there. So this all-time high, and then you got also the daily all-time high, but it's in the ballpark, so we're just gonna leave the weekly there. Anyways, these are the resistance we have right now on the Kyber network, and you can see here clearly that the first resistance is broken. It's been tested. It's going up. So we got 407 and 49, around 5. I think daily is just a tad over 49, so maybe around 5, something like this. That should be actually the top target for this. So the question is this actually bullish, and what's happening? So let's look at some kind of indicators down here. The MACD on the daily, on the weekly, and the monthly is very bullish. We are in diverging phase of the MACD, so it's going up. The RSI is not overbought yet. It's only at 73. It's an overbought territory, but for a bull run, that's 74 on the weekly. So all in all, it looks like this has a lot to go. Moving averages are looking very nice. It's pumping on the 20 moving average on the daily up here. It's above all the moving averages. Got support here on the 50 moving averages. Got almost retested the 50 moving average and started bouncing up again. Weekly, we are just bouncing off of 10 moving averages. Tells me that we are not that far off. So this has a pretty good chance right now to go all the way up to 5 and test the top resistance on the 5. So right now, all in all, everything looks nice. Let's look at the volume. I can see here the volume also picked up once we broke this important resistance up here. So it says it's confirming that that we are in some kind of an uptrend, and this should actually continue going up. So what should our targets be? So I was watching a little bit the charts, and like, where can you draw the lines, the resistance and stuff like that. So we know these are the resistance that we have to break: 407, 4 and 5, right? So those are important, but do they converge with some other resistance? And there are some trend lines that are nice trend lines. For example, this one over here is a nice trend line. Starts on the bottom here, hits the top as a resistance. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit around somewhere around 687 or something like that once it passes all-time high. So this resistance line is important to watch for. But there's another line that should be watched for, and it's the one up here. It's playing out now, I think. So this, we are hitting this right now, but there is one more. And that's the wait, where was that? That was no, it was Yeah, that might be it. So there was one more line. It went from these bottoms over here, I think, all the way up here. I'm gonna say that it's actually not that good. It's not that good. Anyways, these two lines are quite decent, because this is support again, broke support, resistance. So this line is legit. This line over here is very legit. So you should follow the line. And once we start coming very close to the line, that's gonna be around 7+. You should be watching for this line over here as a resistance, and this one it did confirm this is as support and this as resistance only 2 times, and now we're hitting for 3rd time as a resistance. So that might be some kind of stop in the game right over here, and you can see it's also getting rejected. Depends on how you draw the line, right? How you move, because this is a weekly chart. So we are in the ballpark there, but right now we should be starting breaking these resistances up here. This is 3, 5, this is 4, this is 5. How this is gonna play out, it's hard to tell, but that's what we got now. How long it's gonna take this take, we don't know that. I mean, if tech analysts can tell you that, we would know that. It's hard to tell. Let's remove and see if there are any kind of a pattern. This looks like cup and handle, and let's assume this is a cup and handle pattern. Okay, so basically cup and handle goes something like this, right? Cup, and then you got this handle and this breakout, and that's why we are pumping up, because it looks like it's cup and handle that it's been formed. So basically what cup and handle does, this is the top of the cup, this is the breakout. So maybe you can use the weekly for better lines. Let's use this one, something like this, maybe all the way down here. When did it start pump? Maybe it start pumping here. Let's see on the daily. No, it start pumping. Yeah, it start pumping over here. So something like this. Did it pump all the way up here? I don't think so. It went through it. So yeah, maybe. Okay, let's just assume that this is the neckline of the cup and handle, and the cup and handle is pretty easy to target. We're gonna use the bottom over here to the top, and we're gonna move it all the way to the breakout point, and you can see here the next target should be around 4.2, something like that. That's where our first resistance is, 4.9. So the cup and handle actually breakout should go all the way to 4.2, and that's how many percent left up. That's like 40% more left up till we hit 4.2. But I'm telling you, once if we can establish the ourselves above the 4, this resistance line at 4, if you can get up there and then start trading in this range over here, then the next target should be broken around 5, because it is quite bullish. All the technicals are showing that, and now that Bitcoin is going to go up and crypto is done being said and all of that, I think there's a pretty good chance that we are going to break the 5 pretty soon. After the 5, we have to test this line over here, because that's the we get after the 5 we get in some kind of price discovery mode, because that's new all-time high and people don't know where the resistance is. But luckily we still got this very nice line that we know that's going to be hit. So around 7, 8, that's what our target should be. So first target 4.2, after that resistance at 5 that has to be broken, and after that should be around 7 or 8. I hope you liked this technical analysis. We are technical analysis channel, that's what we do on this channel. So subscribe, maybe we make more Kyber videos, maybe we make some other videos you are interested in. Like the video if you like the video, and put down something in comments for YouTube algorithm, you know. Thanks for watching, and see you later, tomorrow or something like that. Bye bye.